Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. Let's see, in a vehicle that has lost power for a long time. It has gotten into the diagnostic machine and the machine from the diagnosis, there was a fault in the EGR and they have changed the EGR, they have put a new EGR and the problem is still the same. But they have realized that when removing the EGR connector, when disconnecting that connector, the vehicle recovers power and ask where the problem can come from. Let's see. If this happens to you, do a test, reconnect the EGR and disconnect the flowmeter. Okay, with the flowmeter disconnected, we simply remove the connector. Walk a few meters and if you see that the vehicle also recovers power, you already know that the problem is going to come from this part, that the part may be wrong. It may simply be, as it happens on some occasions, that the part is dirty and then it is not giving the readings real of the air mass that enters through the intake or the temperature of that air mass. Okay, do this test first, I would advise you, in fact before changing parts, that is, before changing, because when it comes out in the machine, for example, as the failure may be P0400, P0401 does not tell you exactly what is the subject of this part, it is telling you that the exhaust gases are not adequate for the mass of air that enters. That is why sometimes when come on, especially at low speeds or at idle, the EQ does not know it and can blame the EGR, and in reality it is that it does not have the exact values of that air mass. Either by the amount of air or it can be as a problem, as I say, with the temperature even of that air itself. My advice, first disconnect this and before changing this part, I always advise cleaning it. Okay, clean this part well and redo the test. If you see that cleaning it the problem persists, then it would be a matter of changing. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.